Hi, you're welcome to Cross TV. Today I'll be sharing our strategy you can adopt to make money for yourself online. I want you to go to your Chrome browser and search for Bluehost Affiliate Program. Bluehost Affiliate Program. Once you are now on Bluehost Affiliate Program, this is the dashboard going to lead you to. Once you are now here, you can see you will get $5 for each qualified referral you refer to this affiliate program. What is Bluehost company? This is a web hosting company that hosts websites online. So just come and join this platform now and start earning income for yourself. So if you are new, just click on join and then you put your information, then you sign up. So for the sake of this story, I've already registered before on this platform, so I'll just be logging in to my dashboard in order to consume much of your time. If it's not loading like this, just search for Bluehost login, Bluehost affiliate login. That's the other route round. You can see this first, then click on it. First thing, click on it. Then what? You log in. You can see I'm now on the Bluehost dashboard. So we'll focus on link. I've not been promoting this product, so focus on link. You can see here is your tracking link that will get our link, which we'll be promoting. Then we'll copy the link. You can see we have successfully copied the link. That's just it. That's just how it is. So I want you to go to youtube.com. Once you have successfully copied the link, then let me show you the strategy I want you to adopt. Just search for Bluehost review. You can see this person Bluehost review, comprehensive Bluehost review. All these people that you saw here, they were all promoting Bluehost product. So you can do what they are doing for themselves. So once you also create video on the Bluehost review, then you can then post it online. Then you add your affiliate link to the description. Let me show you. You can see, get started with Bluehost. This person is promoting Bluehost product. Once they click on this link, it will take them direct to the affiliate product. Let's click on it for affirmation, so you know that I'm not lying. You can say to redirect, so it will take us direct. You can say bluehost.com special discount. You can see this person is also promoting Bluehost product. So kindly leverage the merits of what other people are doing now, so you too can start making good money for yourself. Just add the affiliate link to the description, then you post your video regarding the Bluehost, then you start making good money for yourself. That's just it for the day. Kindly notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I dropped awesome video just like this. Thanks.